Hello, welcome to my day 3 of the Daniel fast. I'm out of the coffee, cold turkey. I don't have headache anymore and I can actually function. The last 2 days I told my husband, do not talk to me. It's bad if you are a coffee drinker, but Daniel fast is no coffee, so I stick to the rules. So what I want to show you today is a really fast Daniel fast approved dinner in the iPod, my best friend in the kitchen. So I put, and that's a really cheap dinner too, by the way, and people are always complaining, you can have designer food and then I have to cook everything from scratch, it's too much work. That is not too much work. So look what I do, that's done in 2 minutes. You have dinner ready. So I rinsed my 15 bean soup. These are just 15 sorts of beans. You know them all, they are in the supermarket, 15 bean soup. I do not use the spices that come with it. That's designer food, but we take that away. Okay, so we use the beans, we pour in water. These are 4, so we need more. I would say maybe 8 to 10 cups. Maybe 8 to 10 cups, depending on, I have the medium size iPod. Let's put the other stuff in first. Then I put like a good cup of carrots in there. I don't even chop them, I just put them in. I had a packet of chopped spinach frozen, and I put that one in. If I get it out of the packet. Yeah. Just dump it all in, you know. Oops. Then I put in a can of diced tomatoes. A chopped onion, and I chopped it really coarse. I like it coarse in that soup. Then another garlic, a clove. I have these frozen one. Each of these squares is a garlic. I get them at Trader Joe's. I love them. I think I showed them before, like this. Then we need about a tablespoon of garlic broth. This is vegan garlic based broth. I mean, there are other vegan broth, you use whatever you want, but if you are on the Daniel fast, you cannot use beef broth or chicken broth. It's not in the garlic, in the Daniel fast. Okay, then we get a little bit, let's say a pinch of cayenne pepper. Careful with that, don't make it too hot. Then we need, I would say, a teaspoon of, this is half a teaspoon, heaped half a teaspoon chipotle chili pepper. Okay, a little bit of, I have white pepper here, you can use any pepper you want. And go easy on the salt, because the broth is already salty. So I wait until the end and then put more in if I need to, probably not. Here is lemon. And that's it, people. Okay, so that's all of what goes in. I don't think I need more water. Make sure you're not over the maximum level here. Get our lid. first look that the ring is okay inside. I always look if my thing is on correct. Okay. Put it on seal. And you see that? Probably not. I can do it like that. We go on manual and we go on 35 minutes. So as we have 45 in here from the last meal, it always takes the last meal measurements. So we go back to 35. Okay. And this is it. Dinner is cooked. And that's Daniel Fast approved, 100%. My husband is not Daniel fasting. So what he gets, I put in the microwave. I will give him a piece of the beef smoked sausage with it. He can put it in the soup and he's happy then. And I will see you once the soup is ready in 35 minutes, okay? No, I'm back. So here we go. It's I had 10 minutes natural release where I just let the steam go out slow. I have to do nothing after the pressure time cooking is was up. And now I put the seal on vent so that the remaining steam goes out. It's not that much in there anymore. See the little vent here goes down already. And then we will see how the soup looks. And you know, this is the perfect meal on a day like today. We have to go to the high school. It's Addy's last performance. They perform Mamma Mia musical today. And I don't have time to cook a big meal. I have to get gassied up now. And you know, Clay comes home, has to change clothes, and then we go there. This is our very last performance we can go in high school, because after that she will be in Arizona in the university. So one last time we can cheer her on. So I don't have time to do a fancy cooking today. So that is the perfect thing. Clay can put his sausage in it if he wants, and we can eat it Daniel Fast approved. Yeah, it opens now. Oopsie, oopsie. Okay, let's try. At this point you can try, you know, I show you how to, I stir it a little. Do you see it? Yeah, looks good, smells good, smells incredible. I show you what I do with the beans. I don't know if you know that, but somebody from Texas showed me that, by the way. So you take beans and you blow on it. And when the outer skin shrivels, they are good. Otherwise you have to put them in a little bit more. They shrivel, they are good. So let's try spice-wise. Very good. I don't need any more, oops, I'm splatting around here. I don't need any more spices. And that's up to you what you put, if you want to put more or less. I don't need any salt, so be really careful with salt, that you don't have too much salt in it. See, that's the soup, and I put a little micro arugula on top. We have a little fresh green. And here we go. Daniel Fast approved 15 bean soup. Good dinner and healthy. And versatile, because you can give, you can add sausage for those who need sausage with it. Okay, until, and as they say in California, oops, it's hot. As they say in California, peace out, pow. See you next time.